Day 3 of learning oops in JavaScript. Today we will discuss about this keyword and the constructors. Let's take a look at that. Here I will create a new method, introduce self, and this method will console log name, and it is going to be first name. We already discussed about this dot chaining in the day 2 video, so you can watch the last videos if you have any doubt in this. Let's call this method person dot introduce self. Let's run it. So as you can see here, we have Bob inside the console. So inside object, this keyword refers to the current object the code is being executed in, and in the context of an object method, this refers to the object that the method was called on. Simply see it like this. Here we have this, and this is inside a method. So this method is a part of this object. So here this will refer to this object only. Now let's move on to the constructors. So here we have one function, and inside that we are passing name. And what this function will do, it will create an object. It will create a new property name for it and assign the past name to this property as a value. Here we will create one method as well. So this function will return a new object every time we will call it, and that object will have two things, this property and this method. Now if we write here spexy, I will call here create person function, and let me pass here spexy. So this way we can create as many as objects of this type, but a better way to do this is a constructor. Let's do some changes here. Here I will write this, and here I will write again this. Now to call this person as a constructor, we will use the new keyword, and that's how we will create the object using the constructor. So new and then person. And if I write here spexy dot introduce self, let's remove this as well. Let's run the code. Then you can see in the console here we have the output.